Baby, my name is Lemon, but my friends call me Uncle Lay because when I was coming, I was watching your back view and make it one sense, baby. What is your name? Pardon my manners, baby. You see, I have a protocol. And this protocol is whenever I ask a beautiful girl her name, she will have to first of all give me her detail so that I will punch in some money for her. That is how we do in main market. Baby, you have to give me your answer. Beautiful. It's what bank? Zenith Bank. In that bank, I have too much money. Baby, you don't have to look at you have seen it. So, baby, what is your name? Annabelle. Very beautiful name. I like you. Do not look at this small tuki that I'm calling, This tuki that you are seeing is one of my baby boy, I will just use this to disguise. But I have many shades in market. This shade I sell gasket and jacket. And in this jacket, if you open it, you see wallet, baby. If you open this wallet, you can take the money. You understand? So, baby, why is your face like this?
I had a big problem. In my house, if I want to watch a movie, my parents will not allow. I need my own
Is this why your face is like this? Forget that we have money. I don't understand what a decoder is. What are you talking about?
It's a star view decoder where you can get all the Nollywood movies. I want to have one.
Baby, is this what you are frowning your face?
How is it though?
Okay, baby girl. So what do you want? You want me to punch in money for you to go and get it?
Or I want you to go and get it for yourself.
Me? Get it for yourself? Okay. I can get it in a place that they sell television.
Yes, you can get it.
Baby, you know what? This is my house.
This is your house?
Yes, I was actually coming to the house when I sighted you. Baby, in my family.
I can manage your English. That is not a
You don't know, no, baby. What is that insult?
It's not insult.
Baby, no, I am the manager. I will manage you. If I get you this thing, you will give me a number. Baby, just give me 20 minutes. I will be back. Baby, shift under the sun. I don't want this sun to start disturbing you. You know that assistant now you are my package. Akwaya? I'm coming. Baby, let Musa come and take this inside. Is this it?
Yes, this is the code I'm asking for. Thank you.
Hi, baby. If you want, baby. What do you say this thing is all about?
Where you can get Nollywood movie, where you can advertise your business that you want, even your own business.
I tell you that I say cascade and jacket. If you open the jacket, you see wallet.
Yes.
And if you open the wallet, you take money.
You can.
When I got there, they were speaking too many languages that I don't understand. Yes, so I wanted you to explain. But there is one they say that if you are a good actor or actress,
yes,
that you stay in Anambra and its environs, that you can actually come and join the production.
Yes.
I asked them to give me the number of the person, but they say that before I can get the person's number, that I have to subscribe to their.
You have to subscribe.
Hey, baby, I am a very good actor.
Mm-hmm.
You know?
I can see.
Yes. Forget that. I don't know. You forget my English and my tongue. Oh. It is a bet. It is from bet. My mama and my papa get alo and this in their tongue. But I went to school of theater art in our blood. Oh. water. So I wanted to collect my tongue there, but I can see that it's not my talent. So, but I am a very good actor. I can do anything.
They will manage you.
No. Okay, don't worry. Let me tell you what they told me. I want to tell it to the camera. Yes. My beautiful people. No, baby, don't worry. Don't worry. They can understand what I say. My beautiful people. My name is Uncle Lemon, and I just got an information about. Okay, baby. Yeah, I can lie. This is a new channel that just come to surface. It is called Yes, it is called Star View Decoder Network. Yeah, in this network, you can advertise your Blue Dot. If you are Blue Dot.
Market.
Yes, don't mind my tongue. It's the main market. So, and if you want to be an actor or you want to be an actress, just like me, this is a digital. See, I can lead though. It's not like I cannot lead. This is a digital satellite receiver. Yes, you can receive this anywhere you are. Once you have a free to air decoder, you can subscribe or search for Eziokwu TV. Eziokwu TV. You can get it on Starview Decoder on channel 505. So my people, if you are a very good actor or very good actress like me, call the number that I will put on the display screen. Yes, you can contact them and then come and show your God-given talent.
Just like us.
So my people, everywhere you are, Holly, and come down to Anambra or Lifite. This is a channel that a very good man that they call Obuefiwan Ugochitubel na Olifite. Onyoma na-ememma. A man that sees talent. Baby, I call this one where talent is. A man that sees talent and takes them to where they want to be. Ladies and gentlemen, it is your boy, Pichi Amici. Are you in Anambra and its environment? Are you a good actor? Are you a good actress? Hurry up and contact the number that is written on the screen. Do you have movies that you want to be aired for you? You have good content, good stories, you want them to be aired for you? Eziokwu TV got you covered. If you want to get more of my movies, more of Nollywood movies, hurry up and get this for yourself. On Starview Decoder, you would get Eziokwu TV on channel 505. And yes, this wouldn't cost you much. This is just 17,000 naira. That is all you have to pay. It is a free to air channel. So what are you waiting for? You call the number written boldly on the screen. Like I said, I don't want them. My name is Uncle Lemon, saying this for Eziokwu TV, Ugochitubelu movie production. See you there.